guys, I just found my cat. She was lost for a month. Gosh, I miss her. She doesn't look good. She doesn't feel well. She looks skinny. Oh my god, poor cat. She's been lost for a month.
She's been lost.
Look at her. She's sad. I'm glad we find her. I thought it was a dream because last night my mom, she said, I found my cat. And then I said, okay, well, I wasn't excited because I thought it was a dream once. And then later, she said, I really found my cat. And I said, no, it wasn't a dream. So my sister, happy, my cat. Look at her. She's very skinny. She haven't ate when she was lost. Poor cat. Look at now she
And we gotta take her.
What?
We gotta take her to the hospital to check and give her energy.
Yeah.
Because she would die, and she'll be dead when she doesn't have energy because she doesn't eat.
Well, my cat is just laying down on the sun. See, beautiful out there. Beautiful out there. Let me show you how beautiful out there it is.
How about you can go outside, the other outside?
Look at how beautiful the sun. So beautiful. See? No. Well, I'm glad I found my cat. Right there. Bye.